Hello boys and girls, today we're going to be working on experiment number 2, which is called Matter is Popping. If you could find your green lab booklet, make sure your name's at the bottom, and open up to experiment number 2, you should have a record sheet that looks just like this. All right. Since we're talking about Poppin', how many of you at home have ever tasted the fun candy called Pop Rocks? How about you, Miss Miller?
Me.
You've tasted Pop Rocks before?
I have. I love Pop Rocks.
Do you mind doing a little demonstration and testing some
can't
today?
wait.
Okay. All right. Well, this fun candy creates a popping sound inside your mouth if you've never tried it. So let's see if we can hear Mrs. Miller popping away.
Should I eat some?
Yeah,
Ooh.
I'm gonna pour some in your hands. Are your hands clean? You probably need. You can't forget to be safe and use sanitizer.
Be safe. All right.
All right.
Woo!
You ready to eat some?
Yes.
All right, put a little
Okay.
in your mouth.
Ah! There's
Do you hear her popping away?
That's fun.
Mm.
Mrs. Mullingham.
What kind of state of matter do you think Miss Miller has in her mouth? We know they started off as a what? Solid. And then when they went in her mouth, what did you start hearing? Some popping. Do you think that was a liquid or a gas? Hopefully you said a gas. All right, well, we're going to have a little fun today with our science experiment, and this is something you could do at home, but it's something you definitely need to ask Mom and Dad to do, and it's something you would probably want to do outside because it's a messy one today. Are you ready to get a little messy?
I'm
Miss Miller?
ready.
All right. So we are going to, on your lab booklet, we are going to make a hypothesis, and that is an educated guess of what you think is going to happen if Miss Miller dumps Pop Rocks in different types of soda. What do you think's going to happen? I want you to pause the video right now and write down your guess of what you think's going to happen. All right, welcome back, guys. Hopefully you've got a good guess of what you think is going to happen. All right, well, we're going to test our theory out. We're going to test your hypothesis out on 3 different types of cola. And we are going to see when we take a balloon,
Okay.
we're going to dump Pop Rocks with a funnel into a balloon. Just like this.
I mean, I can't eat all of those?
No,
Mrs.
I'm sorry. You can't eat all of
We're
this.
so fun.
Shake it in. Make sure it's real good at the bottom there. Okay? And we are going to take the balloon. We're going to open up our soda. We're going to take the balloon. We're going to stretch it over top and dump the Pop Rocks in. And we're going to hope what's going to happen, do you think? Hopefully you said, the balloon's gonna blow up. Well, that's what we're gonna see. Which one of our colas today is going to produce the most gas and blow up our balloon the biggest? We've got 3 different tests. We've got root beer, cola, and Sprite. So we're gonna start with root beer today. And we're going to go ahead and pour it in, and then we're gonna sketch what we see. All right. Are you ready to hear some gas?
Woo!
We've got some liquid. Now listen. Did you hear that gas? All right. So these are just some simple things you could buy at a dollar store. But again, this is something you'd want to do outside. So Miss Miller is going to gently put that here. I'm going to put on my safety goggles. All right, Miss Miller. You're going to dump it in.
Okay.
And
Ready?
then we're going to let it
Woo!
Okay, start shaking.
Woo!
Oh, boy.
Here we go.
Oh, boy.
Oh, my. Oh, my. Look at that go.
Now, got some of the liquids in there. So we gently have to lift it.
Oh, that is so cool, Mrs. Mollenkamp.
And let some of that liquid settle. And what did we create, Miss Miller? What did we create here?
We created, I think, gas?
Yeah, we created some gas.
Oh, and I can hear it.
And the gas is taking the shape of what, Miss Miller?
Oh, gosh. Taking the shape of... Can I get some help, Mrs. Mollenkamp?
Oh, what's it taking the shape of, boys and girls? Hopefully you said the container. And what's our container today? That would be a balloon.
A balloon. That's
Wow,
so
man, that root beer.
neat.
That was a good one, Miss
Woo!
Miller. Now, I will say, I've done this experiment many years, and every year it's different about which cola is the best. So what I want you to do is grab a green colored pencil, and I want you to sketch what you see here for root beer, and pause the video. All right, welcome back. Now we're going to try another soda. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's do a different color
This
balloon.
is so exciting.
What color balloon do you want to do?
I would like to try yellow.
Yellow balloon, and it looks like we're going to do regular cola.
All right.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and have you
Okay.
cut that, and I'll get this
All
open.
right.
Let's let out some gas.
Can I eat some more, Mrs. Mollenkamp?
Oh, Miss Miller, what did you have for lunch there? My goodness.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah, Pop Rocks are pretty fun.
They are super fun.
All right.
Now, does it matter, Mrs. Mollenkamp, what flavor the Pop Rocks
You know, every year I usually buy different flavors, and no, it doesn't matter. Any of them will create a gas when mixed with the soda. It creates a
right.
gas. Sometimes people have also used Mentos,
Oh.
and that's something you would definitely have to do outside because it would shoot up.
I think ours got stuck a little bit.
Yeah, sometimes they get stuck.
Oh, my. There it goes.
Got it?
That's going. There we go.
All right, make sure we want it nice and
All
full.
right, here we go.
Okay, I'm glad I got my safety goggles
All
on.
right, I'm going to step back.
All right, you got to dump it in, Miss Miller, and I'll shake.
Okay.
Shake it. Ready?
Woo!
Little Taylor Swift. Shake it off. Shake it off. Woo-hoo. Shake it off. Oh.
Woo! Floating cola. Wow, look at that one.
Yeah. And this was just regular Coca-Cola.
Awesome. Huh. Wow.
What are you observing, Miss Miller? Do you notice anything that's different between our two balloons?
That is really providing a lot of gas.
It sure is. It's taken that shape. But what do we notice the difference between the root beer and the cola?
Well, we made a bigger mess.
Yeah. Is which balloon's a little smaller?
Right now, the one that is over the cola.
Yeah. This one isn't producing as much gas as that root beer did. All right, boys and girls, so pause the video and find, let me get all sticky here. Find your cola and grab a yellow color pencil or pen and sketch what you see under cola. And then we'll be back with our last bottle. All right. Are we ready for some fun again?
Wow, look
Looks
at the
like
difference.
the winner so far is that root beer. Okay, what color are you feeling now?
All right, I am feeling, let's see, blue or pink?
I'm going to say pink. Let's
All
go
right,
pink. All right, I'll let you do that. I hope you're going to stay and clean up this big mess. You know how Mrs. Mollenkamp loves messes, right?
I will clean the mess.
All right, what do you guys think? You think this is going to produce the most gas? So far, root beer's in the lead.
All right.
Let's see about this Sprite.
We're ready.
Okie dokie.
Here we go. All right, stand back.
Is that a hole?
No.
Okay. Go ahead. Dump it in, Miss
Oh.
Miller.
Ah!
I'll be Taylor
Oh!
Swift.
Woo!
remember?
Wow.
Gas doesn't have a definite shape or volume. It can take, doesn't have a definite shape, it has volume. It can take the shape of its container.
Woo.
All right.
Wow.
Well, I don't know. What do we think, Miss Miller?
Gosh. Well, my prediction was wrong. I predicted the balloon and the cola.
And the cola?
Mm-hmm.
I would say I usually predict the root beer. And it really depends year after year. It looks like our winner, boys and girls, is Sprite. Yeah. All right, pause the video, grab a pink crayon, and color what you see. Okay, well, welcome back. So the last thing we need to do on our paper is we need to talk about what were the actual results of our experiment. When the what mixed with the soda, a blank was created which blanked up the balloons. I don't think they need our help for that, Miss Miller. I think they can fill that out themselves.
I think that's an excellent idea, Mrs.
All right, you fill in the missing words and we'll check those answers later. And then lastly on the back, we're going to write what that definition of gas is, okay? Gas takes the what of the what? What does gas take? What did it take? It took the...
maybe we shouldn't tell them this one
Whoa,
either.
I think we said it lots of times.